How to change YouTube profile picture on PC. First of all, open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in youtube.com. Press enter. Once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of YouTube. Make sure you're logged in to your account. In order to change the profile picture, click on your profile icon that you can see at top. Click on the option View Your Channel. Now you'll be able to view your channel over here. Right over here, you'll be able to see your profile picture. Simply click on it. Now you'll be led to the YouTube Creator Studio where you can customize your YouTube channel. Scroll down. You can see the option for picture over here. If you want to change it, click on the change option that you can see on the screen. Now select the destination of your choice and select the photo that you would like to upload. Click on the option Open. Once you do that, customize the picture by selecting the area of the picture that you would like to keep. Click on the option Done. Wait for a while. Once you do that, click on the Publish option that you can see on the screen. Now your profile picture will be changed. You can click on the option View Channel. After you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to see the new profile picture. Like this, you can change YouTube profile picture on PC. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.